gonna show you a very cool cheat of Halo demo. It's called Sticky Pistol, and I'll show it to you for you to see how it is so you can watch it. You drag it when here is this one, because I was playing it. So then go to Halo demo. Internet. Here, internet, the bottom one. And like you could see, you start with this. And look. You see? Did you like it? And there's more. Look. There's more shots like the shotgun. It's the best one. And there's the other one, is this one. I was dead. I committed suicide. And look at this. It's better with the other. And wait, please wait a second. I need to tell something to my brother, Super Says Production. Watch his videos. Where you can, while hear the music. Well, whatever, I came back. Well, and when, what the glitch? What the glitch? Now let's do it with this side. And this one. Oh, who was that? Whatever. And look at this. This is very cool. And this will be very funny for you, I think. Oh. I did. Well, I hope you like it. You can do many things. Wait, I want to show you the best thing of all. Oh, first I'm gonna show you another thing. Look. I'm exploding in the air. Whoa. Did you like it? It's really cool. Thanks for what? And I'll tell you now where to get it. It's very cool. And it's this one, mediafire.com, whatever like that. Put enter and here you download. It's very easy to download. And thanks for watching. Watch more videos about my friends and me, Nachiro 6800, Super Says Production, and more of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.